This workshop, which is led by African Center for Parliamentary Affairs, in collaboration with the Parliament of Ghana, led by the Data Management Center and the Ghana Statistical Service, was organized with the aim of helping Parliament build its units, build a very robust procedural data management system.
We have brought together various departments of the Parliament of Ghana, and the goal here is to try and work together with them to develop key steps in terms of how data is managed and how we can institutionalize the culture of use of data and evidence in the work of members of Parliament.
The mandate basically is to design and manage both administrative and public policy databases and provide evidence to inform decision-making for the effective function of Parliament.
We also oversee the preparation of minutes of the House. So we have a minute book where we keep records in writing. So you see an officer from journals is at table and writing the minutes. This helps in the preparation of the vote and proceedings.
Data, evidence, information, they are not mutually exclusive. So one leads to the other and then to the next. When your data is wrong, the evidence will be wrong, the information you are sharing is going to be wrong. I see this forum as a space where this is just the foundation, the beginning of the process.
Because in the age where parliamentary democracy needs to be responsive to citizenry, and also we need to be transparent, and also in an era where we also have what we call the open parliament, making parliament accessible and at the same time bringing parliament closer to the doorstep of the public. It is very crucial that the institution of parliament takes data collection and management seriously.
Looking at how other departments capture their information, for me it will be an easy source for us to go in and pick that information for analysis.
It has been very fruitful so far. I think that we've had the departmental presentations on how we use the data and even how we collect them. My expectation, again, is to be equipped with the needed skills on how to utilize the data we collect, or even how to start from the collection of data through its processing, through its usage, and through its analysis, and which will translate into policies and our generation of policies or development of policies for the services that we render to members of Parliament.
Through this workshop, we will identify very tangible progress, but there are still serious gaps that from the workshop, when they go back to their office, they are going to address some of these gaps. So the fact that they are still using Word in storing their data, which is not reliable, and that cannot easily be assessed and interpreted. So they all agree that they need to have a software system that will help them have a data system where it will help them in terms of data management and coordination.
ACEPA as an organization needs to be applauded for the work it is doing, especially with this data project that they are undertaking. I believe it will help to even enhance the accountability, and will be able to know whether state institutions, especially Parliament, are getting value for the investments that they make.
So I must say that the workshop has achieved its purpose, and I'm only hoping that when the staff go back to Parliament, they're able to sort of implement all the things that they've committed to implementing, i.e. to build a much more centralized data system, to develop a data management governance policy and to address the yawning gaps that exist in Parliament.
What we have done over this weekend is yet another milestone. So I wouldn't say we have arrived yet, but I think we are on the way in terms of the ultimate goal that we want to achieve. That is ensuring that the work of members of Parliament is driven by data and evidence.